last time, we are all diving in the way of thinking. Today, we are pretty much on the way how you deliver about your idea in a way of presentation. The purpose of all communication is all for influencing him or her to take a particular action. And if you are able to influence others, so your idea will be accepted. People might have already got some rejection mindset. So in order to avoid this situation happen, I need to anticipate what kind of rejection will be there, and accordingly switch it to be the question in your presentation and then answer them. If you can present the question successfully and then tell the answer in an effective way and craft. C, standing for conclusion. Always tell the conclusion first. And after that, there will be some reason supporting the conclusion. Sometimes you also need to cite some example to illustrate further, to let people have a better understanding. And finally, the point equal to conclusion. In your pitching, public speaking, presentation, you need to have the empowered mindset. Don't see it as your assignment, as your homework. See it as something that you really want to take this opportunity to prepare yourself to create that pitch for your future use. Be serious of all the presentation. That is a challenge for you to skill up yourself.